And then people say, a few people can't control the world, it's not possible. Oh my God, man, it's so easy. And all around the world you see the same thing. People being slaughtered by other people because the leaders of these people say slaughter them. And what you have to do is constantly demonize people. Because if you can demonize them and you can dehumanize them, then people are more likely to go and slaughter them. And all around the world, throughout human history, it's gone on and on and on and on. And it has led us to where we are, and it has led us to looking in the face of a dystopia of global control, the like of which we have never seen in, like I say, known human history. Because if you look at what we call history, there has been an incessant centralization of power to now where it's global and beyond politics, beyond the political, it's global. It's in corporations, it's in multinational bodies. So we start out, pick it up in tribes, and we're in tribes, and the people in the tribe are making decisions about what happens in the tribe. Very difficult to centrally control that. Too many points of diversity. So we then reached a point where all the former tribes came together to form what were called countries, nations. Now, a few people at the center of the nation are dictating to all of the former tribes. And this is happening all over the world. We call them countries. Then you move to...
How do you get out of a rat race? How do you create wealth not only for yourself, but also for the generations to come after?
I am absolutely amazed with the quality of companies that we're getting exposure to.
We go on to Zoom calls with the innovators and the folks who are building new applications in metaverse, blockchain, artificial intelligence, decentralized finance.
What's going on, everybody? Thumbs up if you can see me.
We are focusing on early stage investment.
And the quality of people that we're getting exposure to, whether it be Dan Tapiero with 1RT, Jason Ma from Open, Yatsu from Animoca.
It's been a phenomenal experience thus far. It has far exceeded my expectations.
We are focusing on cutting edge technologies.
I view it now as the best investment I've ever made. The upside I view is unlimited.
And as a retail investor, I would never get this exposure anywhere else outside of Investment Club.
See you in the Investment Club.
The situation we have with the European Union, that's when you bring loads of nations together to be centrally controlled from Brussels. Not Strasbourg, where the political people are, from Brussels, where the bureaucrats are. You have groupings like the BRICS grouping with China and Russia and South Africa and Brazil and so on. Iran joined it now. And you have all these other supernatural national bodies. And what you're doing is you're constantly creating a situation in which fewer and fewer and fewer people are dictating to more and more and more and more. And if you are the few and you want to control the many and you want a global society which you control, what do you want? You want a situation in which the power is centralized and centralized and centralized and centralized to the point where the few have got control of everything. And the cherry on the cake is AI and digital control, because that means that the few can control, by controlling the AI digital system, the few at the center can control everything, including human thought and human emotional response. And that, Brian, is what we're facing now. We're looking in its face, and for the last coming in to be 36 years, I've been pointing out that we were incrementally being taken into this very situation that we're now facing. And it's the totalitarian tiptoe, now the totalitarian sprint, which has step by step taken us to this outcome, which comes back to, if you know the outcome, you'll see the journey. If you know what the outcome is planned to be, suddenly you see the incremental steps to that outcome. And because we're getting closer and closer to the outcome, the steps are becoming more and more bloody obvious.
To continue watching the rest of the episode for free, visit our website londonreal.tv or click the link in the description below.
Hey, I know investing in crypto is scary. It takes a real leap of faith because there are so many scams, rug pulls, and bad actors out there. It's a dangerous business, which is why 95% of people lose all their money. Well, that's why I created the London Real Investment Club, so you can access the hottest deals on the planet and use the crypto bull market to create the generational wealth that you deserve. Join my team of over 100 people from around the world that are making millions of dollars behind the scenes investing in blockchain, AI, Web3 games, DeFi, Bitcoin, and more. Don't miss out. Click the link below to book a call with one of my team now. But hurry, this bull market will end soon.
I know investing crypto can be scary. That's why you gotta join the investment club. Pull the trigger. Let's do this.
Hi, it's Brian Rose from London Real. You probably know that we've just recently been re-platformed on YouTube after 25 months completely in the dark. The truth is, I really need your help. What I really need you to do is click on that subscribe button right now, like this video, and maybe even leave a comment or share the link with friends. We're really fighting against an algorithm that's tried to keep us quiet for so long, and the more subscribers we have, the more people watch our content, the better guests we can bring you, the better content, and we can continue transforming lives. We've been doing this for 14 years now. I want to do this for another 14 years, but I really need your help. So click on that subscribe button, like the video, leave a comment, share this, and we're going to continue to bring you more and more great content. Thank you. Hi, it's Brian Rose from London Real. You probably know that we've just recently been re-platformed on YouTube after 25 months completely in the dark. The truth is, I really need your help. What I really need you to do is click on that subscribe button right now, like this video, and maybe even leave a comment or share the link with friends. We're really fighting against an algorithm that's tried to keep us quiet for so long, and the more subscribers we have, the more people watch our content, the better guests we can bring you, the better content, and we can continue transforming lives. We've been doing this for 14 years now. I want to do this for another 14 years, but I really need your help. So click on that subscribe button, like the video, leave a comment, share this, and we're going to continue to bring you more and more great content. Thank you. Most people will never see this opportunity. Dubai luxury transformation projects have historically delivered 40 to 90% annual returns. That is incredible. These were once reserved only for insiders with access. I spent 15 years on Wall Street, and I learned this: the biggest returns always go to the people who get the call first. Now, you finally can. We've just received a brand new project with major upside potential. Allocations move fast. Click the link, apply now, and speak to my team. This is your chance to see what others never will.